Careful what we call her.
But each of us has a very strong moral code. Never raise our hand against our brothers and sisters. Even though they may be hostile. Welcome.
Relax.
There's no jurisdiction.
This guy's trying to start a fight with him.
Keep going, Carl. Keep going. Keep going. Carl, don't talk to them.
Carl, don't say a word. Don't say a word. They're not cops. Don't say a word.
Carl, don't talk to them.
Don't talk to him. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. Walk off the property. They have no jurisdiction. Can I get your name, please?
Absolutely.
Name and badge number.
Jonathan Mora. What do you want to more? Would I know where they live?
Sorry?
Where's my telephone number?
You're a public servant.
Where you go?
You're a public servant.
Sounds like somebody's fired up.
Oui, on voulait juste prendre une information du gars parce qu'on est deux. Celui qui parlait. Oui, l'agent.
Il a déjà donné le nom de ça.
Ok.
So this guy was trying to get a fight started. The one behind him, they've pulled him into the back since his emotions are getting pretty high up.
I'm not